โอ้ยไม่ได้มาหลายวันลืมไป2 อย่างเดี๋ยวก่อนไม่เป็นไรให้ก่อนเดี๋ยวให้ลืมเสียงดังกับลืมของเลยเว้ยโอเค drop it here first อ้าวยังไม่ตายเหรอ
Hi baby
today we have only sugarcane elephant teeth rectangular above 2 above 2 under that means when you feed elephant you have to feed if sugarcane you have to feed by cross so they can chewing if you feed just like this
you can't
they
get
have use the trunk turn around not easy to chewing this are new food everyone you can feed them by the trunk or to the mouth that can so for warm welcome
yeah you got elephant kiss you're next go for it yeah
some camp they will present we have not this thing on tourists will think about this thing bad with to elephant but I have to present you like this Thai people we have relationship together with elephant very long time ago not less than 1,200 years ago and on elephant they scare something sharp like a thorn or spike like this and ancient Thai people they made this thing for repress something sharp like a thorn or spike for let elephant scare and under your command and also use this thing control them while riding and also training need lift leg up that is or another but we don't put until they hurt just let them scare and lift leg up ยกขายกขา when they do it when they do well we reward good yeah look on the way boy look on the way and then stop how okay now turn left back boy stop please
Not long.
Okay, now this side please.
Not long.
Like that. That's great.
Good.
And now stop please.
Out.
Yes. Second one, stop please.
Out.
Okay, now turn left back. Left lock, right kick.
Quick.
Forward.
Fight.
Second one, forward. You come more. Bye. Kick. Stop. Okay, grab on here. Get off, please. Okay, next one.
Bye. Toilet.
Take she do like this first. Like this. Okay.
Nope. You got some more.
Ma. Like that. Suck by trunk and roll to the mouth like this. Why drink? This one can eat this. That means when we rescue them from many areas, they eat something different. This one is blocking before we like to eat bark of the tree very much. See the one man hack over there. And that one is so amazing. It can be like a hand or finger. Can you off something. And for this part of elephant, you see this part. When it's gonna be pink and more spot, that means a little bit old. Can tell age. For your elephant, she's wider. She's 50. But you can be hermetic or not. That depends on you riding on it or not. This is not the same. That means you have to take time. Quite long until you see exactly riding. That means you can be or in dry season.
Can you go through the tree?
That tree?
That tree? That's just like twisted and everything?
That's a cigar.
Huh? Huh?
And for food, I told already 250 kilogram a day, and water about 100 liters a day.
Wow.
But while drinking, they don't drink all. They will save some in their body. They have a small back like a camera. No. For two of you over there.
Hey.
But what for two of you? Come here.
ช่างน้องคายเห็นช่างหรือเปล่าช่างมันถอยไม้เบาจมูกยาวเป็นขวานว่ามีคิ้วไทยนัวเป็นขวานว่ามีหูมีตาหางยาว
Out.
ใครจะถูกใครจะผิดอย่าไปคิดมากเวลาไม่น้อยนักรักกันดีกว่าปล่อยให้มันไหลไปตามกาลเวลาชั่วดีดินฟ้าเป็นพยานเอาเรกเกวันละนิดจิตแจ่มใสช่วยกันคลี่ช่วยกันคลายถ้ามีปัญหาขอเธอจงเชื่อมั่นในสัญญาทุกคนเกิดมาฝาเดียวกันถ้าเธอเร่ร่วนฉันก็ร่วนเร่หัวใจโลเลขาดสัมพันธ์ถ้าใครเป็นกบฏทรยศกันไม่นานสวรรค์ลงอาญาเรกเกวันละนิดจิตแจ่มใส